oath-taking ceremonies for new criminologists, SMX Convention Center, Manila. Nga pala ay ginanap sa SMX Convention Center, Manila, Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City. So, ito naman yung time kung saan lahat sila ay isa-isa ng pinapapanik. So, yan, kasama nung aking anak, yung ding mga kaibigan niya, nakapila na sila at mag-i-start na nga po yung program. So, lahat ng mga mag-o-taking ay nakabarong silang lahat. At dun sa pinakataas na yun, dun nga pala gaganapin yung pinaka-venue ng kanilang oath-taking ceremony. At talaga naman po excited na kaming lahat. At ito na nga, mag-i-start na nga. Ito naman yung time kung saan inawit ang Ako Ay Pilipino, na talaga naman pong nakaka-proud bilang isang Pilipino. At talaga naman pong mararamdaman mo yung iyong pagiging makabayan. Dito ay makikita natin yung mga proud parents na kasama ang kanilang mga anak, na mga newly registered criminologists.
Board of Criminology sa inyong lahat, yung pagpunta niya dito, siyempre kailangan kayo nandito kasi mandami ng batas. Pasalamatan natin ang ating mga magulang. Kanina pa natin sila pinapasalamatan, pero hindi tayo magsasawa na ipakita ang ating pagmamahal at pasasalamat sa kanila. Isa pa ang pagpapasalamat sa paulitan ng isang palagpakan. Can you raise your right hand and follow after me? I state your name. All state your address. After having been accepted as a member of the Professional Criminologists Association of the Philippines, the Integrated Association of Criminologists in the Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear and affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance, obey, support, and defend the Constitution and bylaws of PICAP, the Philippine Constitution, the Criminology Professional Regulatory Law, the laws of the land, the programs, policies, and principles of PICAP, and the Criminologist Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. That I wholeheartedly accept these obligations. I will faithfully and conscientiously perform my responsibilities as a member of PICAP, and that I impose these obligations upon myself in the free exercise of my volition, voluntarily, without mental reservation. So help me God. God bless you all. Mabuhay ang Filipino criminology.
So, ito naman yung time kung saan nagpipining na sila. So, ayan, congratulations anak, and we are so proud of you.
Once again, congratulations at mabuhay ng mga bagong Filipino criminologists.
So, ayan, finally people ay natapos na nga po ang program at ito na po yung mga ilan sa mga picture namin sa nasabing ceremony. Thank you for watching!